Hi, I'm Rebecca Roundtree with Osa Tropical Properties to introduce you to my new listing in Ojochal, Costa Rica. This is a brand new 2-bedroom, 2-bath, ocean view home, a very hot commodity in today's market. This is a highly desirable location due to its panoramic views of the mountains and the ocean. This is a great place to call home. One of the most spectacular features of this property is that you have such an incredible panoramic mountain view, valley view, all the way out to the ocean. It's just really, really unique and makes this property very special. The builder chose some beautiful furnishes, including the custom-made one Costa Rica tables, high-quality quartz countertops. Even little details like when you open the cabinet doors, there's little lights inside so that you can see the contents. That's a really simple but great feature. This spot right here by the pool is just lovely. It's hard to portray in videos or photos just how incredible the views are. You could literally sit here in the mornings and watch the sunrise with your coffee and literally watch the sunset over there with a glass of wine. It's just spectacular how the indoor-outdoor living connects so well. It's incredible. This is one of the most desirable lots in this development, the reason being that it's 0.4 of an acre. The way the land is set up is it's fully landscaped directly around the house, and then just down below on the second plateau, there's another large area where you could plant fruit trees or do a big vegetable garden. You could build a guest house in the future. So the opportunity and options here are endless. This ocean view is really fantastic because it has a number of different features. You can see the Osa Peninsula, Canyo Island, as well as whitewater crashing in at Playa Tortuga. It's really, really awesome to see. Great benefit of this home is it also has a carport that is finished beautifully. I mean, it has, finished ceilings, tiled floor. They put some storage options in here, a place to put a barbecue, which is great. Another fantastic option though is that if you're looking for a 3-bedroom home, this could easily be converted into a 3rd bedroom just by putting walls between the columns. This is a brand new home, just finished. The concrete driveway has just been poured and all the furnishings are brand new. This is ready to move in.
Please contact me, Rebecca Roundtree, for more information about this property or any other listing that catches your interest.